Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. My name is Anurmi Sarah binti Husni and my metric number is 30-23F1005. Today, I will be presenting my assessment for the subject DPU40073 Entrepreneurial Business Process Management. This presentation will tell about operation and quality management practice in API Pizza and it focus on how a local SME apply business process technique to improve efficiency and performance. I chose API Pizza, a mobile food truck business owned by Generosity Enterprise that specializes in handmade Italian style pizza. Through this presentation, I will explain how API Pizza use operation management standard, productivity strategies, and total quality management (TQM) in their daily operation, along with some recommendation for future improvement. Let's begin with a short introduction to the company and the key topics of this presentation. For this presentation, I will be sharing about Api Pizza, a small and medium enterprise SME owned by Generosity Enterprise. Api Pizza runs a mobile food truck business that focuses on handmade Italian-style pizza. Their truck usually operate in locations like school, event, and public areas, offering quick, affordable, and tasty pizza made with fresh ingredients. To maintain consistency and smooth operation, a central kitchen is used to prepare and supply the dough and raw materials to each outlet daily. In this presentation, I will explain how Api Pizza applies on operation, management practice, and total quality management (TQM). This includes how they improve productivity, manage inventory, follow standard procedure, and ensure consistent service and food quality. Api Pizza use structured operation management practice to make sure their business runs smoothly and efficiently. One of the main things they follow is standard operating procedure or SOP, which help the staff know exactly how to handle food preparation, hygiene, customer service, and even inventory. Every day before starting work, staff attend short briefing and wear proper uniform to maintain consistency and discipline in their tasks. When it comes to stock control, Api Pizza uses a central kitchen system where all the dough and raw ingredients are prepared in one place. These are then sent to the outlet daily, so every outlet always has fresh ingredients to serve. To make delivery more reliable, they work with Lalamove for fast and organized transportation from the central kitchen to mobile outlet. Their purchasing and ordering process is also planned properly. They order stock weekly based on how much was sold before and what they expect to sell next. Right now, they use a manual checklist to keep track, but there's a recommendation to start using a POS system and digital tools to reduce mistakes and make everything faster. Lastly, productivity is something they really focus on. It's measure how many orders are complete within a certain time, how much is sold per shift, and how much food is wasted. To improve this, they made a few changes like centralizing food prep, using checklists, and offering online orders through Shopee Food, which help manage customer flow and boost their sales. Api Pizza practice quality management by making sure their food and service are always consistent and reliable. Every pizza is made with fresh ingredients, following a fixed recipe to maintain the same taste every time. Staff are trained to handle food safely, keep the workspace clean, and interact politely with customers. They also use checklists to track daily cleanliness and process. The company applies the Total Quality Management or TQM approach, which means they aim for continuous improvement, not just in their product, but also in how the business is run. TQM involves the whole team from kitchen staff to supervisor to take responsibility for maintaining standards. They also listen to feedback to make sure customers are always satisfied. Api Pizza can apply the seven basic tools of TQM to better understand and solve quality problems. For example, a cause and effect diagram can help them find out why delays happen. Check sheets are used to record hygiene and stock check. A control chart can show if there are changes in the average time to prepare orders. Histogram help visualize issues like stock delays. A Pareto chart can show that maybe 80% of customer complaints come from 20% of problems, like late service. Scatter diagrams help study how staff numbers affect productivity. And lastly, flowcharts are useful to map out the steps in preparing and serving pizza, helping staff stay efficient and avoid mistakes. In this case study, we explore how Appiza puts into action the operation and quality management practice that we have discussed throughout this presentation. Appiza may be a small food truck business, but its approach to operation is quite structured and focused on efficiency, consistency, and customer satisfaction. One of the key practices that Appiza has implemented is the use of a central kitchen. This central kitchen is responsible for preparing the handmade pizza dough and processing the necessary raw ingredients every day. These items are then distributed to each outlet before service begins. By centralizing preparation, Api Pizza ensures that the same quality and freshness are delivered to all outlets regardless of where they are parked. It also helps reduce prep time at the outlet and allows team to serve more customers during busy hours. To maintain smooth day-to-day operation, Api Pizza follows Standard Operating Procedure or SOP. This SOP covers everything from food preparation, steps to hygiene and safety guidelines. Every staff member is trained to follow this SOP and daily briefings are conducted to ensure tasks are carried out consistently. For example, they use a recipe guide to avoid mistakes during preparation and follow a hygiene checklist to meet food safety standards. When it comes to inventory management, Apipizza currently uses a manual system where staff members check stock level and record them using printed form. While this system works for now, the team has suggested upgrading to digital tools like a point of sale POS system, which will not only make it easier to track inventory and sales in real time, but also help in making better decisions based on sales trends. This will reduce errors and help manage stock more efficiently. Apipizza has also partnered with Lalamove, a third-party delivery service, to transport ingredients from the central kitchen to each outlet location. This strategy is especially important because it ensures that even though the truck move from place to place, they are always well stocked and able to meet customer demand. It's flexible solution that fits the mobile nature of the business. To serve customer more efficiently, Api Pizza accepts both walk-in customer and online order through platforms like Shopee Food and GrabFood. This dual ordering method helps manage crowd flow better, especially during lunch hour breaks at school or large events. Customers who are in a rush can order online and pick up their food without waiting in the long lines. This approach not only increases sales but also improves customer satisfaction by offering convenience and speed. Overall, Api Pizza operation reflect the principle of good operation and quality management. Their system help reduce waste, maintain a high level of quality, and improve team productivity. Even though they are a small business, they show that applying strategic practice and using technology smartly can make a big difference. Their success proves that SME can also benefit from implementing concepts like TQM and operation management in real, practical ways. To conclude this presentation, we have seen how Apipizza successfully applies operation management and quality practice through structured SOPs, digital ordering, and centralized food prep. Their use of delivery platforms like Lalamove, Shopee Food, and GrabFood show how small business can grow using modern tools. Operation management and TQM are very important for SME like Api Pizza because they help reduce waste, improve speed and service, and keep customer coming back. This system help even small team stay organized and consistent. To improve even more, Api Pizza could start using a POS system and digital inventory tools. This will help them track sales and stock automatically, making things even faster and more accurate. Continued training and applying more advanced quality tools would also help the business grow in the long term. Alright, that brings me to the end of my presentation. I hope the explanation has given you a clear overview of how Api Pizza, as a small and medium enterprise, manage its operation and maintain quality through effective business strategies. Operation management and TQM may sound like a big business terms, but they are just as important for SMEs. They help a company stay organized, reduce waste, maintain high standard, and grow in competitive market. I believe businesses like Api Pizza are on the right track by continuously improving their process and focusing on customer experience. Before I end, I would like to thank my mentor, lecturers, and everyone involved in guiding me throughout this project. This subject, DPU40073, Entrepreneurial Business Process Management, has taught me a valuable lesson on how business operations are managed in the real world, especially in the context of local SME. Thank you again for your time and attention. I'm open to any question or feedback. Assalamualaikum and have a great day.